Okay, 1000-watt coffee maker. Making coffee. Hooked up to the that goes downstairs. Meanwhile, downstairs, you never know if the house is gonna catch on fire. But yeah, see how she does after the coffee's made. Let's see what she's running. Hey, you know what? The more I use these old junk batteries, the more capacity they actually seem to be holding. This is nowhere near as much of a voltage drop as the last time. So I'm about 6 cups in. Still got a few to go. Almost done, you guys. Holding. It finished the coffee.